If you're like me and you have a Pacifica with a center console that has the rear cup holders and little storage compartment, if your kids jam something up in front of it to the point where it'll close to the first position, but not fully close all the way, here's what you have to do. First, you remove the 2 screws under the cup holder insert, the 2 screws under the front compartment insert, and the 2 nuts under the front mat. Then with a T20 bit, you want to take off the inside front seat track cover. There's one little screw, if you can see it right there. And then come to the back of the seat, move this little plastic pin holding the back of the seat track cover in place. Take that out. There's another T20 screw right here on the back side. You have to unclip the cover from this rod that goes along the side of the seat and slide forward the cover, put it out of the way, slide your seat all the way forward. Now you can access this bolt cover on the side of the center console. And by the way, you gotta do this on both sides of the center console, doing this to both seats. Pop that cover off, getting access from underneath the seat. And there's your last bolt right there. They're both 10mm bolts, like the nuts in the front, and stupid long, so take a while to get out. But then, should we just pull this back? Maybe, hold on. I was wrong. There's 2 bolts per side back here. One way up here, where my finger is, and the one back here. So once you get those out, the console should pull backwards and come out. Okay, now with all 4 bolts, all 4 nuts, 4 bolts, 2 nuts, 4 screws. Just pull back, and it all comes out. Well, yeah, you might want to remove this one wire here if you want to take the console all the way out, which I do. Now, look at that airbag module. We can see what's blocking it up, maybe, or not. Guess I gotta dig deeper. There it is, way in there. It's a crumpled piece of paper. Had to turn this thing upside down to find it. So I gotta fish that out and put everything back in. Then my center console will close again.